Animals and kids. Kids and animals. That's what sells pictures. Swords and drama and swashbuckling. Clifford, the big purple dinosaur.
Clifford?
Hal, it's late in the game. Most of the talking animals are taken by other studios. You've got talking monsters. Talking toys. Talking robots. You even got talking cars. I won't share the next big lion thing. There ain't room for theirs and ours. So, you're going to go and stir things up. You know, expose significant problems. They'll pull the plug on their lion picture. Then the cavalry rides in.